Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add your own custom code to your WordPress site, whether it's a snippet of CSS, JavaScript, or HTML, without getting tangled in complicated settings, this 2025 guide is exactly what you need. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the simplest, safest way to insert custom code directly into WordPress. Stick around because I'll share a quick pro tip at the end to keep your site running smoothly. Log into WordPress first, open your web browser, and head to the WordPress homepage. Look at the upper right corner for the login option. Click it, and for a fast, hassle-free login, sign in using your Google account. This not only saves time, but also keeps your credentials secure and easy to manage. After you've logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Here, locate the Quick Links section. Click Edit Site to open the site editor. If you manage multiple websites under one account, you'll see a list. Just pick the specific site you want to customize. Now comes the fun part. Inside the site editor, look to the upper left corner and click the plus icon to add a new element. A panel will appear with all kinds of block options. In the search bar, simply type code. When the code block appears, select it. You'll see a brand new editing box pop up on your page. This is where you paste or type your custom code, whether it's a small CSS tweak, a JavaScript function, or an HTML embed. Before you publish, double-check your syntax and formatting to avoid errors that could affect your site's layout or performance. WordPress has integrated tools that help highlight any issues, so take advantage of those. When everything looks good, hit Save to apply your changes live. And that's it. Your custom code is live on WordPress in just a few easy steps. No complicated plugins, no risky theme edits, just a clean, built-in way to customize your site. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and full guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.